This is scene one, take one, going up the tower with my tools. Right, here we are. Okay. Stand by. Scene 5, take 2. Well, I've come up. Scene 5, take 3. This is a joke. Here we are. Scene 6, last take, because I've got too much to do. Right, are we ready? Off we go. Scene 6, last take. Nearly. Right, here we go. I've just completed. Everything is in good order. Now all I have to do is record everything in the logbook, and I mustn't forget to thank Henry for his help in cleaning up. If you prepare, and it saves money if you do it yourself. Thank you. That was quite good. That was quite good, he says.